How to manage collections on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage collections on Facebook Lite. First thing we're gonna do is go to Facebook and here just click these three lines here in the top corner, and after you click on it just go down until you find save it, and here you will find collections. Click on it, and here you can delete your collections or rename it and or create new collection. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.